In this video, we'll be starting a new project for a lifelong friend, Bob Ross, and his 1972 Super Beetle.
He's making the 90 to go out this weird thing.
After a fresh crate engine, it had been discovered that the wire harness had been burned up in quite a few spots, and that's what we're going to be replacing in this video.
Sneaking around here, is there? It's all on one side or both sides?
It's up here. And then goes through the rocker for this little 3-inch section and then comes back out of the rocker and then goes up the front. Instead of just like notching it or just running on the outside.
I did put him on there one time.
This here. I'm not seeing like where it goes after it goes in home. The other harnesses down here that go down into the fender.
Yeah.
Nice tight fit, bro. That's a P2. I think this is a P1 with a screw. They do that type of stuff at work.
Keeps your spare tire inflated.
Are you serious?
Yep. And that pressurizes your washer system.
Oh, that does?
Yep. Can you see the bolt?
Yeah, barely. I think I gotta push this thing back in. Good.
Should we you trying to put it back in?
Ratcheting wrenches?
Having what?
Ratcheting wrenches? Like a box end wrench?
Yes.
You have a...
It's all one piece from the factory.
Oh man, I'm not sure. We'll get it out. I'm just
Yeah,
trying to
well,
think.
this is, it's so fat all up together.
Yeah, I'm not sure how, like, this probably is gonna come. Nah, these don't come out, do they? No, they don't. Just the one side comes out.
Is that thing holding two pieces?
It, like, attaches here.
Oh, okay,
Cut that
gotcha,
if you need to
gotcha.
get it out. I don't like just cutting it and pulling it through, because then you gotta figure out, like, okay, you got it out.
Right, you gotta get it back.
Yes, if you can get it out in one piece,
Right,
then
then
it's
you can
easier.
get it back in one
Then you're
piece.
like, okay, I had to do this, I had to do that, I had to do that. Because then you're also not worried about messing this up. If you mess this up, getting it out, then it's okay. Then you learn. That's the only thing I can look out for.
If you reach up in there, I can feel insulation, like maybe
Yeah.
where the car was put together.
Yeah, they got like spray foam in there or
Yeah.
something. We may have to like cut some of that out or something like that.
That's what I'm trying to grab a hold
Yeah,
of.
that's what I'm thinking. But there's nothing in here that would, like, I pulled this carpet back in here, and it's just solid iron.
Okay.
So they got, like what you said, there's a cavity that goes through here, but it's tight.
It's melded, you said?
Yeah, a little bit. You could tell it's not like fully toasted, but you could see how where it got hot.
Yeah.
And it kind of like crinkles the insulation and that on the wire. I don't know how that. They got another connector. Maybe they got a connector on the other side.
Because those connectors aren't going to fit through that hole. I know that. Pretty damn sure they're not going to fit through that hole.
Take some pictures. There's one wire here that was melted just to a connector that it was touching. Like it wasn't even like attached to it.
Okay.
Like it needed attached to it just because it was like just sitting there like that. It melted itself to it.
Oh,
So I couldn't get it off.
So can you show me that wire? And what was it melted to the fuse box?
Just this connector here. Grab with my thumb in.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of wires in here. They're all just melted. I'm not sure where they are now, but there's a whole bunch, and the fuse panel is actually just melted and falling apart. Like some of these were all screwed up. You could have just made a little bolt-in panel, even riveted. Bet you're replacing heater cores all the time in one of these. Come on, slowly.
Trying to
we're at that point. Like I got another 4 feet here, and then it's.
That thing down there is what was holding it up. Well, I don't know if it touched. That square thing.
This?
Yeah. It's wired to it, it wouldn't budge.
Yeah, I had it all undone. I'm pretty
Okay.
sure I did. But it goes to a 90 through a hole there, so once we get this fed through here, we can try going back and forth with it.
Go back and forth.
Not really.
That ain't budging.
Nah, I can feel it like the tension on it, but it ain't moving. I can try on this. I don't
I
think
got that brake on. I'm holding it tight.
yeah. I don't think I'm gonna be able to move it, but might as well try. Because if it was like, if each one of these was an individual, I was gonna try to do it one at a time.
I think what we're gonna have to do is push this down like that and drill a hole about right there. Yeah, a nice fat one.
I was thinking about drilling a hole right up in that area there, because then you can get your hand in there and kind of finagle. You know what I mean?
Entourage Garage, thanks for watching. We'll have more to come.